Hello everyone, I hope you're all well and you're having a lovely day. I'm after Flora. Today I'm going to make cheela, or as Punjabis call it Puda, an Indian version of a pancake. We'll be making savoury pancakes. The main flour that I'm going to use for this is a chickpea flour. That makes it very high protein, high fiber, and it gives you very substantial snack. Now, particularly in Indian households, sometimes it's consumed as a breakfast item with a bit of yogurt on the side. It's all vegetables and it makes it perfect dish for the vegan diet as well as gluten-free or a vegetarian diet. 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, and these are both 1/4 teaspoon. There's a turmeric powder and the red chili powder that goes in there, and some salt as per your taste. Okay, so if you wanted just the simplest cheela, and if you did not have any other ingredients in your pantry, this will actually give you a very simple basic one. These are all optional. I'm adding some crushed ginger to give me that heat, some green chili, crushed green chili, carom seeds or ajwain seeds, so it's helpful with the digestion. Crushed coriander seeds, so that goes in there. In addition to those seeds, I'm putting plenty of chopped coriander there. So I'm using the spring onions instead of the red or white onions, and this is entirely up to you what you want to add. Add water. So just a little bit over 1 cup of water is gone into this besan, and that's the consistency. So it's dropping freely. Now I'm just going to leave it to rest for like 10-15 minutes. In the meantime, I've gone and made my green chutney to go as a side, and this contains coriander, mint. I've already done the recipe for this, so if you want to, it's there on my channel, do refer to that. Besan has been resting and water has been absorbed. I'm just going to make it slightly more thinner. Put a drop of water in there so that when you put it onto the frying pan, it kind of spreads on its own. Start off with a bit of oil into the pan. Yeah, and there you go. First one is always an experimental one, and I can do with a little bit more thinner consistency for the next ones. As you can see, there is little bubbles that's forming from where it is thin. Bit of oil on there. Flip it. All done, and the colors have come out very beautiful. So this is ready. Dash of water just to make it slightly more thinner consistency. You can tell it's right consistency because as soon as you pour it, it starts getting cooked and there is like multiple holes being formed immediately. So just spray it. The colors have started changing, so this needs to be flipped now. There you go. So that side has been done nicely, and let it get cooked from the other side. And so my Besan Chilla are ready to be served, and I'm just using the chutney to go with it. I hope you've enjoyed being with us today, and I do hope that you will give these a try, and they come absolutely yummy and totally delicious. Thank you for being with us. Until next time, God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye for now.